Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rohtas Kumar, Faculty of Technia Institute of Advanced Study from Management Department. Today I am going to deliver the lecture on techniques of demand forecasting. There are many techniques of demand forecasting in which first is survey method. Survey method is generally used where the purpose is to make the short-term forecast of demand. Under this method, surveys are conducted to collect the information about the consumer intention and their future purchase plans. Second is consumer survey methods. The consumer survey method of demand forecasting involves the direct interview of the potential consumers. It may be in the form of complete enumeration and sample survey. Third is direct interview method. The most direct and simple way of assessing future demand for a product is to interview the potential consumers or users and to ask them what quantity of the product they should be willing to purchase at the different prices over a given period of time. It may be 1 year, 2 years and 3 years. Fourth is sample survey method. Under this method, only a few potential customers and users selected from the relevant market through a sampling method which are surveyed. Method of survey may be direct or mailed questionnaire to the sample consumers. Fifth is expert opinion method. It is one of the most widely used and influential forecasting techniques where the opinions and institution of the management is utilized. The process brings together in an organized manner personal judgment about the process being analyzed. The main reliance is on human judgment. Sixth is Delphi method. It is the method of demand forecasting which has an extension of the simple expert opinion polling method. This method is used to consolidate the divergent expert opinion and to arrive at a compromise estimation of the future demand. The process is very simple. So I hope you understand the topic of various types of techniques of forecasting of demand. Thank you very much.